Today we're assembling the desktop stand for the Yolobox Pro. Your kit comprises of the two sides, the aluminium extrusion and some accessories. We begin by taking the aluminium extrusion and placing it into one of the square sides, flipping that side over so we can reveal the bolt hole, taking one of the supplied bolts, dropping it into position, and finger tight only this bolt. There is no need to over tighten it. Perhaps once it's gripped, maybe 1/8 of a turn at best is enough. The accessory kit may also include some form of Allen key holder. It'll either be a snap-in or a slide-in model. In this case it's the slide-in model where the Allen key literally just slides into the hole. This device slides into your extrusion. We recommend the rear facing side. Do not install on the bottom because that will end in tears. Take your slide-in device, position it, do that before we add the other side. Removal of the Allen key is simply sliding out. Positioning our Yolobox stand in the vertical position, we now decide whether or not the 1/4-20 will face the front or rear of the stand. You may want your cables pointing out of the front, or conventionally you may want them pointing out of the rear. In this case we'll mount it in the rear mode, position the other side of the stand, snugly fits on the Yolobox, bolt in position, again finger tight, there is no need to over tighten. If you over tighten you will break something. It's literally just to hold it in place. In this case, the Yolobox Pro has a rubber side which allows the stand to grip onto quite nicely. I'm going to flip over the stand and I'm going to position the Allen key into the Allen key holder, making sure it's facing not downwards, otherwise it will go beyond the base of the unit. Rubber feet get installed in these positions, which I'll do now. Get those as nice as possible. The rubber feet provide excellent traction and avoids the Yolobox sliding around on the desk. As you can see, it grips very, very nicely. That's quite a hard push I'm doing there. We've now completed the assembly of the desktop stand for the Yolobox Pro.